Hello friends, here again Dr. Ajay, and with this tutorial I am going to add some sound to our scribe to make it more engaging. So friends, let me reopen our scribe for this, and with this over here, firstly learn how to add soundtrack from video scribe free library from this option. Over here we have the scribe music option in the ribbon bar. So here you will find a huge library of the tracks, and it is being categorized as the number of genres you may choose as per your requirement, and the files or tracks can be sorted with the multiple options. So I'll go for slow music for this scribe. Now you can preview this sound with this play button, and if you are happy, then you may go for it. Now you may adjust the volume of the track from this option, and you may loop the track with this click. And over here, one more option, you may import your own soundtrack from the PC with this option at the bottom left corner. Here one more option is there to import the MP3 from a known website by placing the URL of that. So if it looks fine, then you may go for it. Now to see the preview of this scribe with this music, you may go to preview button. So friends, now it looks more engaging and impressive. So here you have one more another option to record your own voiceover with this option in the ribbon bar. So by clicking this option, you are able to choose among the microphones available with your PC, and you may play scribe with the recording, and you may start the recording with this red button over here. So it will allow you after 3 seconds to record your own voice. So after recording of the voice, you may stop the recording and the audio will be processed over here. So likewise, you may see the preview of your recording from this play button over here, and the sound can be adjusted by this scale. Now if it is fine, you may select it, and over here you can also import your own voiceover from the PC or from the web, also with the same option of the scribe voiceover. And over here at the left bottom corner you will find the options to upload or import the sound files from your PC which has been already saved in your PC, and the another option is to import the MP3 files or voiceovers from internet by placing the URL. So by this way friends, you may add the sound to make your scribe more engaging. I recommend to prepare your script first to import the voiceover or record the voiceover to the scribe, and then start recording it. Thank you.